Today we're gonna kick a nasty fella to the curb. And due to high demand, Rooster Rudi will take the stage. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rooster Rudi here. I'm pretty sure you've all heard about this nasty little guy by now, and maybe even seen a most wanted picture. Let me tell you, it doesn't look pretty. If the picture says dead or alive, don't fall for it. You're looking at the wrong picture. We clearly want to be sure this guy is more than done, like Dunny done. And don't you dare picking him up with bare hands. Don't do it. Yuck. Now to be clear, handle with extreme caution and very strict safety measures. Do not approach, I said, do not approach this guy in large groups, and always, did I say always? Wash your hands after any exposure for no less than 20 seconds. Last, but definitely not least, if you experience any symptoms like coughing, fever, flu-like symptoms, call your doctor immediately and practice self-isolation for at least 14 days or as advised.
Okay, with all the safety precautions in place, let's get rid of this creature once and for all. It may take numerous attempts. Unfortunately, that wasn't quite enough. Let's turn up the heat. Woohoo! See? We even make trouble when burning in hell. But I think we got him good now. And he's definitely not alive anymore. And not causing any harm. Woo! Rooster Rudi got her. Yeah, I got her. I got her. Yeah, I got her. Yeah, see that? He's burning in hell. Ah!
So there you have it. With a little bit of social distancing, we'll get through this together. But more importantly, don't lose your zest for life and humor. After all, spring is on its way. Now I wish us, like you and I, all the best of luck, because we are in it together. Yours truthfully, Rooster Rudi.